Hi friend, today I would like to share with you about topic of hypothesis. What is a hypothesis? Easy definition. A hypothesis is suggested solution for an unexplained occurrence that does not fit into current accepted scientific theory. The basic idea of hypothesis is that there are no predetermined outcome. What is a hypothesis in research? A hypothesis is a tentative statement about a relationship between two or more variables. It is a specific, testable prediction about what you expect to happen in a study. Let's take a closer look at how hypothesis is used, formed, and tested in scientific research. What is a research hypothesis example? For example, a theory designed to look at the relationship between leap derivation and test performance may have hypothesis that states this study is designed to accept the hypothesis that leap degree people will perform worse on a test than individuals who are not leap degree. A hypothesis of prediction, the action predicting future events. An instance of this, a prophecy, a forecast, hypothesis in science, a tentative, testable, and falsifiable explanation for an observed phenomenon in nature. What is an example of testable hypothesis? Students who attend class have higher rate than students who skip class. This is testable because it's possible to compare the rate of students who do not skip class and then analyze the result data. How do you write a qualitative hypothesis? Conjecture hypothesis in quantitative research. Hypotheses are the testable statement linked to research question. Hypothesis bridge the gap from the general question you intend to investigate to consider a statement of what you hypothesize the connection between your variables to be. One more hypothesis is a falsifiable. A hypothesis is a model called falsifiable. If it's possible to conceive an experimental observation that disproves the idea in question, that is one the possible outcome of design experiment must be an answer that if obtained could lead to prove the hypothesis. The every research needs a hypothesis. Not all studies have hypothesis. Sometimes studies designed to be explanatory see inductive research. There are no formal hypothesis, and perhaps the purpose of the study to explore some area more thoroughly in order to develop some specific hypothesis or prediction that can be tested in the future research. Why do scientists use hypotheses? Hypotheses are tentative explanations that could answer the research question. Scientists use revealing theory as well as results from particular experiments as a guide in developing hypotheses. The predictions are based on a particular hypothesis and should be testable by experiment. Does the case study have hypothesis? The case study is most useful for generate hypothesis that is in the first stage of total research process, while other methods are more suitable for hypothesis testing and theory building. It's often difficult to summarize and develop general propositions and theory on the basis of specific case study. Do you need a hypothesis for qualitative research? In a qualitative research, a hypothesis is used in the form of lay statement concerning the problem to be investigated. Unlike in quantitative research, hypotheses are only developed to be tested. Qualitative research can lead a hypothesis testing and hypothesis generating outcome. What is the nature of hypothesis? The nature of hypothesis. Is a leading question put to a nature, a gap desired to suggest the sort of inquiry by which an answer might be reached. It is a position which seems to explain observed fact, whose truth is assumed tentatively for the purpose of investigation. Why do you form a hypothesis? Hypothesis in a scientific method. In the scientific method, whether it involves research in psychology, biology, or some other area, a hypothesis represents what researchers think will happen in an experiment. Relating a hypothesis, design an experiment, collecting data. Remember, subscribe to see the next video. Thank you.